30 days in After Effects. Day 1, CC Light Sweep. So in After Effects, you go to Effects and Preset panel and type a CC Light Sweep and apply it to your logo layer. And you change your width to 80, your intensity to 50, your edge intensity to 50, and your edge thickness to 15. By messing around with the center of your effect, you can change position of your light sweep effect. Follow for more After Effects content. 30 days in After Effects. Day 2, CC Page Turn. So you open up After Effects, go to Effect and Presets tab and type in CC Page Turn and apply it on your layer. Now for your back opacity, you're going to turn it into 100. Move to the beginning of your composition and make a keyframe on your fold position, then adjust it like so. Let it be flat. Then move 1 second into the timeline and adjust the center position so that the logo does not show on the screen anymore. And that is it. So 30 days in After Effects. Day 3, CC Split 2. Now in After Effects, you go to Effects and Preset tab and search for CC Split 2 and apply it on your layer. Now you change your split 1 to 75, your split 2 to 75. Then you make sure that your point A and point B all start from the same place. For my own it was 270, so I had to change it. Now at the beginning of a timeline, you have to make a keyframe at your point A. Then you move 1 second into your timeline and just increase your center position until it looks something like this. Then you move back by half a second and you make a keyframe on your point B. Then you move forward again in your timeline and adjust the position of the center like so until it touches each other. And that is how you do it, guys. 30 days in After Effects. Day 4, Optic Compensation. In your Effects and Preset tab, type in Optical Compensation, then apply it on your layer. Now you change your FOV or field of view to 150 at the beginning of your timeline. Then you move 1 second into your timeline and change your field of view to 0. Then you click this box right here and there you have it. That's how you make this effect. 30 days in After Effects. Day 5, Audio Spectrum. Now with our audio already in After Effects, we're going to create a new solid and make sure it's the same size as our composition. Then we open our Effects and Preset tab and apply Audio Spectrum to our layer. We open this up and actually set it to our actual audio layer, and we set our start frequency to 30, end frequency to 200, our frequency band we set it to 50, our maximum height we set it to 1000, our audio duration we set it to 200, our audio offset we set it to 500, our thickness we set it to 5, and our softness we set it to 0, and that is it. 10 days in After Effects. Day 6, CC Bubbles. First of all, you create a square in your composition and make sure it's set to gradient fill so that you can have multiple colors on one design. So now I'm just going to adjust my color so that it spreads out evenly. Now I'm going to my Effects and Preset tab and just search CC Bubbles and apply it on my layer. Okay, now we change our bubble amount to 15, our bubble speed to 5, our wobble amplitude to 50, wobble frequency to 0.3, and bubble size to 33. And there you have it, guys. 30 days in After Effects. Day 7, CC Radial Fast Blur. So now in After Effects, we come to Effects and Preset panel and type in CC Radial Fast Blur, apply it on our text. We change our amount to 90 and we change our zoom to brightest. So at the beginning of our composition, we make a keyframe on the center like so and adjust the position to somewhere around here. Then move 1 second into our timeline and adjust the final position to somewhere around here. So here we have it, guys. Follow for more After Effects content.